I'm going to tell you guys a little story about intentionality and focus, okay? Some of the closers were out on Friday with me at Top Golf, and I got a text message from Julia. At the end of every day, Julia sends me and the other executives the numbers. So we were basically at 1.37 roughly. We were about $30,000 shy of 1.4. And what happened on Friday when I received that text message is I thought to myself, I said, you know, we have a power crew coming in tomorrow morning, which was Saturday. It'd be nice if they can collect $30,000 to put us at 1.4. So I literally thought that when I received that text message. Then I proceeded to think to myself, we can do that too. That's easy. With my crew coming in on Saturday morning, that's easy peasy right there. And how much did we collect? $30,000. Okay. I shared that story with Julia on Monday. I was excited to see her Monday morning to share that story with her because that's the power of intentionality, right? So some of you might not believe in magic and the power of the universe, but the reason that I do is because I've proven it to myself over and over and over. But what it takes is the right mindset to do that. The power of belief. Okay. So on Friday, when I got that text message, I said, man, my crew's going to do 30 G's like nothing tomorrow. And that's exactly what they did. So that put us at 1.4. So huge shout out once again to those people that came in on Saturday. We're at 1.55 right now. So if we push 140K, we can finish at 1.7, which is a very respectable month. Taking into consideration that we fell a little behind the first half of the month. We were a little sluggish from the holidays, so 1.7 is very respectable. No doubt in my mind that we're gonna do 140,000 today. We have the technology on our side now, thanks to Richard and my partner Joe. So I see you guys posting on the payment chat, you know, the little robots and the AI. So you guys understand what this is this is broadcasting. So what we're doing is we're broadcasting using the phone system. But Richard's used a lot of our technology with our website and some AI assistance with the voice and the smartness to be able to effectively drop a stat on the debtors, right? So what that's causing is it's causing more incoming calls. What's going to happen is little by little, we're going to be turning up the volume to that. So what that means is that we're going to need a lot of you collectors that just started, or some of you that are shy, that don't want to go to closer because you're timid and you lack the confidence. I need you to knock that shit off already. And I need you guys to start stepping it up because we're going to need you in the game right now. We're going to need you in the game right now. We're scaling our Egypt teams. We're right at the cusp of 100 collectors in Egypt. I'm going to hit the gas in the next few months and we're going to go to 200 agents.